continue. Therefore, commentary, in order to cultivate an aura of respect, right? It is not fitting for a teacher to act frivolously in the presence of students. Okay, commentary. In general, Rambam advises against frivolous behavior and favors reserved and pleasant and happy approach to others. See Hilchot Dios 2752. We actually learn it, right? So don't be frivolous, don't be lightheaded, stuff like that. People need only say jokes. Everybody be very loud, obnoxious. No, that's not. Rambam said no. You have to be reserved, nice and quiet, and don't talk too much. Pleasant, of course. Smile to people, say good morning, hello to people, of course, but reserved. Continue. You should not. He should not amuse himself in their presence, nor should he eat and drink with them. So why is that? Commentary. This does not imply that the teacher must demonstrate totally a stern approach. Shabbos, same place. What is the same place? Main Torah B. Okay, Torah B. Relates that Rabbi would begin his lecture with a witty statement. His students would laugh, and afterwards he would sit in awe and begin the lesson. Yeah, go ahead. Question. Somebody wants to talk?
No, sorry, no.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so he started with a joke, right? But sometimes you have to tell a joke, but not when it's serious business. Okay, continue. The restrictions are intended, so they will fear him and study under him in a fast pace. So all of these modern rabbis, right? They play basketball with the students, so they try to be their buddies. But first of all, it's not his job. His job is to teach students Torah. That's it. That's his job. Okay, when he's not teaching, he can. But still, right? Like his job is to teach Torah, and if he would. If they would respect him, they would listen to him. But otherwise, if they do not respect him and think that maybe Rabbi is smarter in whatever in Halachah, but I can beat him in the basketball. He's very very slow, and I can beat him in this sport, that sport. So okay. So and when the students would have a question, he would never ask a rabbi and treat his answer, his opinion, my opinion, double quote, his opinion as his friend's opinion, right? Where's the difference? This rabbi is my friend, and this is my friend. There is no difference. So that's the scary thing, that people go against the Halachah and think that they're going to succeed. All right, we finish. Any questions? What we said? Any questions? Okay, so it's very, very Rambam is writing very simple words, where it's like to the point and unbelievable ideas that we must learn and implement in our life. Okay.